Number 1. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. 4 tenths times 3 equal what? 4 tenths, it will be 0.4 times by 3. The result will be 1.2. 3 times 4 equal 12, and the point will be after one place. Letter B, the divisor in this equation, 216 divided by 43 equal 5 and the remainder 1. We have here the divisor will be 43. Question letter C. This area model represent what? We have here the tables and divided it 4 parts. Right here 30 and 6, 20 and 4. We have 30 plus 6, it will be 36. Okay, multiplication by 20 plus 4, it will be 24. Letter D, space times 100 equal 4. It's meaning what? We want to find this number, you must divide it 4 by 100. 4 divided by 100, it will be 4 hundredths. So you must write in this place 4 hundredths. Write 4 hundredths. Right, 4 hundredths. Okay, 0.04, 4 hundredths. Letter E, 320 multiplication by 15. Put 0 first, and then 32 times 15, 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 3 times 5 equal 15, 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then the result will be 1600. Again, 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 3 times 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16 plus 0, 1 times 32 equals 32. Complete again with me. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. The result will be 480, and write 0 behind it. The result will be 4800. Okay, again, 320 times 15, put 0 first here, and then find multiplication between 32 and 15. Write 0 here, and 2 times 5 equals 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 3 times 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16, then write 0. 1 times 32 equals 32. You must add two numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 1 plus 3 equals 4. Next question. Number 2. Complete the following. Space divided by 6 equals 7 and the remainder 4. Question. Letter E. We want to find here the dividend. The dividend equals divisor multiplication the quotient plus remainder. Okay, then the result here about letter A, we have here space multiplication divided by 6 equals 7 and the remainder 3. Then we can find the dividend. The dividend equals 6 times 7 plus 3. 6 times 7, 42. Plus 3, it will be 45. The result here will be 45. Okay. Question letter B. Space multiplication by 1/10 equal 3, 6.4 and 2. We can find this number by divided the result by 0.1. We can divide it two numbers right here. 36 and 42 divided by 1/10. You must move the point right hand side by one place, right? Say 364.2. Right? 364.2. Understood? In this example, we must move the point to left hand side by one place here. The result will be 36 and 42 hundredths. Question letter C. Comparing between two numbers here, we have 0.002 times 1000 or 20,000 times by 100. Move the point right hand side by 3 places. Here the result will be 2, and here 3 divided by 1000, cancel 3 zeros, the result will be 20. Then 2 less than 20. Okay. Question letter D. If 735 divided by 21 equal 25, then 735 divided by 21 equals 35, then 35 times 21, multiplication between them, it will be 735. Question letter E. 85 times 69. We used here distributive properties. It was 80 plus 5. Multiplication 69 using distributive properties. 80 times 60. And then 80 times 9. And then 5 times 60. And then 5 times 9. Okay, you must write in this space 5 times 60, and here write 9 in the space. Okay, question number 3. Mom baked a batch of 28 بلح الشام. 3 بلح الشام fell on the floor. If 5 children spelled the remaining equally, how many بلح الشام will each child get? We can write 28 times 5. Okay, she baked 28 بلح الشام. 3 بلح الشام fell on the floor. If 5 children spelled the remainder, so the first step here, we must find the difference between the total number 28 subtract by 3 بلح الشام was left or fell on, and the result divided by 5. We have 5 children, we must divide the remainder to 5 children. 28 minus 3, it will be 25, divided by 5, it will be 5. So each child will get 5 بلح الشام. Okay, we have 28 بلح الشام and 3 بلح الشام fell on the floor. If 5 children split the remaining equally, remaining was 25, divided by 5 equal 5. Understood? Next question. Question letter B. We have 18 multiplication by 107. Write 107 times 18. 7 times 8 equal 56. Write 6 and carry up 5. 0 times 8 equals 0, plus 5 it will be 5. 1 times 8 equals 8, plus 0. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. 6. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. The result will be 1926. Letter C. $1,536 divided by 16. One divided by 16, we can't do it. 15, we can't do it. 153 divided by 16, disappear digit by digit. And 15 divided by 1, the next number will be 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. Write 4 and carry up 5. 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Then we must write 9 here and 144. Find the difference. It will be 4, and here 13. 13 minus 4, it will be 9, and 4 minus 4 0, and then drop 6. 16 times what equal 96? 16 times what? We have 6 times 6, 36. Write 6 and carry out 3. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. It will be 96. Write 6 outside. And the result here 96. So the result will be 96. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Letter A. 21 plus M. Letter E, we have 21 plus E equal M. Sorry, it was letter E. 20E plus 5. 21 plus 5 equal M. The dependent variable here, it will be M. M, we called it dependent, but 5, we called it independent. Letter B, the greatest solution of the inequality, x less than or equal to negative 3. We want to find the greatest solution. It will be negative 3. Because the solution here, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So the greatest solution, it will be negative 3. Letter C, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. It will be 7 power 4. It's a base, and it will be the exponent, 5 power 4. It was letter C. Letter D. Marwan saved X lira and his father gave him 200 Egyptian lira. Now he has the total will be X and 200 Egyptian lira. The total. Question letter E. The order pair satisfies the equation y equal 3x plus 1, where if we put x equals 0, y will be 1. Put x equal 4, 3 times 4, 12, 12 plus 1 equals 13. But put x equal 1, the order 1 and 4 satisfies, because at x equal 1, then y will be, put x equal 1, 3 times 1 plus 1, 3 times 1 equal 3, 3 plus 1 equal 4, then the value of y will be 4, y here equal 4. Then the order will be 1 and 4. Question number 2. Complete. Letter A. 1 power 5. It will be 1. Letter B. The value of the expression 12 subtract by x power 3 divided by 2. When x equal 2 is, put x equal 2 here, it will be 12 minus 2 power 3 divided by 2. 12 minus 2 power 3, it will be 8. 12 minus 8, it will be 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. The result will be 2. Question letter C. Okay, letter C. 1 over 8. Question B equal 5. Then 2b equal what? We know 5 times 8 equal 40, or 40 times 8 equal 5. And b equal 40. Then he won't find 2b. 2b, it will be what? 2 times the value of b. Value of b 40. 2 times 40, it will be equal 80. The result here will be 80 about question letter C. Question letter D. The order pair space and 7 satisfies the equation y equal to x plus 1. We have here y equals 7. Put y equals 7, then 7 equal to x plus 1. Then x will be what? 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then x will be 3. Because 2 multiplication by 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then we must write here 3. The result here equals 3. About question letter D. Letter E, the inequality represented in material numbers is in natural number. Okay, it's a natural number. We have x greater than 0. The inequality represents the natural number greater than or equal to 0. Okay, or x greater than -1. Okay, x greater than -1. So you must choose the first solution, x greater than or equal to 0, about natural number, x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, because 0 is natural number. The inequality represents natural number, it will be x greater than 0. Okay, choose letter A, choose this solution. Question number 3. Yusuf studied for 8 hours a day for 7 days. Then he studies 5 hours on the 8 days. What is the expression for the number of hours he studied in 8 days? Okay, Yusuf studied 8 hours a day for 7 days. 8 hour days for 7 days. Then he studied for 5 hours on the 8 days. Okay, each, we know 1 week equals 7 days. Okay, at 7 days it will be 7h. And each day or eighth day, write the expression, he studied 5 hours. Okay, it's the expression. Okay, understood? Write the expression for the number of hours he studied in 8 days. Understood? The result will be 7h plus 5, because he studied 7 hours at each days, or each hours at 7 days, and the 8 days he studied 5 hours. The result will be 5h plus d. Okay, understood? We have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, he studied 7. Yusuf studied for each hours at 7 days. Each hours at 7 days. Then he will study 7 each hours at 7 days. But at each days he studied 5 hours. So the total will be 7h plus 5. Okay, it was question number 3. Letter B, solve the equation. 2 times 10 power 2 plus 15. 2 times 10 power 2, it will be 100. Plus 15, 2 times 100, it will be 200. Plus 15, it will be 215. It's the result about this question, letter B. Next question, choose the correct answer. Letter A. K equals the product of I and 8. K equals the product of 8 and I. The result will be K equal 8I. Letter B, the cube of 6 equal. The cube of 6, it will be 6 power 3. Question letter C, if 3x equal 27, then x will be 27 divided by 3, it will be 9. Question letter D. In the rule y equal x plus 4, then y would be what if x equal 1? Y will be 1 plus 4, it will be 5. Y here equal 5. Question letter E. In the algebraic expression 5x plus 3, the coefficient here 5. We have 5x plus 3. 5 here we call the coefficient. 5 the coefficient. Question letter F. Which equation describe the table have 25 will be 16 and 28 will be 19, 31 will be 22. He subtract by 9 between m. In this table we have m and m. Okay, we have 25 and 16. Then n will be equal m minus 9. N equal m minus 9. M minus 9 equal n. Choose letter C. Letter C is the solution about this question. Question letter J, which expression is missing from 12 plus. Question letter J, we have 17 plus 8 plus 2 equal 12 plus 5. We have here we have here space. We know 17 plus 8 plus 2 equal 12 plus 5 plus space. We know 12 plus 5 equals 17. It will be 17, and 8 plus 2 equal 10. We must write here 8 plus 2. It will be 10. Okay, where 10? 10 here. 14 minus 4. Choose letter J. 14 minus 4. Understood? Again, in this example, we have this space. 17 plus 8 plus 2 equal 12 plus 7 plus 5 plus space. We must write 10, but we haven't 10 is a solution. You must choose 14 minus 4, because 14 minus 4, it will be equal 10. If x plus 2 equal 5, then 5x equal what? Question number 1. If x plus 2 equal 5, then 5x equal space. We know x here will be 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then 5x is meaning 5 times the value of x3 will be 15. The result here 15. Question number 2. If m minus 4 equals 6, then m will be 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Question 3. If 3 over 4k equal 3 over 4, then 5k equal what? We know here 3 over 4k, it's meaning k equal 1. 3 over 4 times 1 equals 3 over 4. Then 5k, 5 times 1, it will be 5. Okay, question number 5. If m divided by 2 equals 6, then third m equal what? M divided by 2 equals 6, then m will be equal 12, because 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And third multiplication by m, multiplication the value of m, 12, third times 12, it will be 4. Then third m will be 4. The result here will be 4. Okay, write 4 here. Question 6. Murad bought 3 pens for x gypsy lira. He paid 15 gypsy lira. Then x will be what? Okay, we have the total with him. It will be 3 times x. It's the total because Murad bought 3 pens for x gypsy lira each one. Okay, and he bet the total will be 15. We want to find the price of each one. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then x here will be equal 5. Okay, x here will be 5. Then x will be 5 because the total cost will be 15. And he put 3 pens, and each price of 1 pen equal x Egyptian lira. Then the price of 1 pen, it will be 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Question 7. If y plus y plus y plus y equal 24, then y equal 24 divided by 3, it will be 8. Then y will be equal 8. Question 8. A product of a number k and 6 is 42, then k will be equal. Question 8. We have the product about number k and 6. It will be 6k equal 42. The product of number k and 6 equal 42, then k will be what? Divided by 6. 42 divided by 6, it will be 7. Then k will be 7. Question Number 3, letter A. Use the order operation to find the solution about this expression. 2 times letter E, 2 times 5 plus 6 power 2 subtract by 24 divided by 2. 2 times 5 it will be 10, and 6 power 2 36. 24 divided by 2 it will be 12. Write 10, and the difference between two numbers, 6 minus 2 it will be 4, 3 minus 1 it will be 2, and the result will be 34. Choose the correct answer. The coefficient is the algebraic expression 5xy power 2, 5x power y power 3, z power 4, the coefficient here 5. Question number 1, we have this expression 5x y power 3, z power 4. 5 here we called it the coefficient. Okay, or we called it numerical factor. Question number 2, if 2b centimeter is the edge of length of cube, we have cube here and the edge 2b centimeter, then the volume will be 2b all power 3, the volume will be 8b power 3. Okay, it's the volume about what? The cube. Okay, we have this cube here, side length was 2p, then the volume will be side by side by side, 2b times 2p times 2p, it will be 2p all power 3, it will be 8p power 3. Question number 3, if the area of rectangle equal 24x power 3, okay, it's the area about rectangle, and its length was 8x, then its width will be what? The width here divided the area by 8x, 24 divided by x, it will be 3, and x power 2 divided x, it will be x power 2. Okay, this is question 2 prep 1. Okay, goodbye.